Hi, welcome to Talia's Crochet Creations. This is Talia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the invisible seam when finishing your crochet project. So go ahead and thread your yarn needle and join both ends together. And what you're going to do is insert your needle into that first loop closest to the opposite panel, and then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side and just alternate between the two panels, putting your needle through that first loop and then putting it through the first loop on the second panel, and you continue that method until you've seen the length that you need. So this is done on the right side of your project, and this eliminates the bulk. If you were to use another option of seaming with crochet, such as the slip stitch seam or the back stitch seam, or even using the whip stitch, this helps you to seamlessly join two panels together. Or if you want to seam shoulders, this is a great way or a great method to seam together. So continue alternating on both sides until you've reached how far you need to go, and that's all there is to it.